Hey guys, welcome back to another behind the scenes video of one of these trail running events. I'm currently in New Zealand at Nelson Lake on the South Island, and I'll be here for the next 10 days shooting this trail running event for all the Americans that come over. We actually start in Abel Tasman. This is a little bit different to the last episode because I'm actually here filming and not taking photos. So yeah, try and mix up some behind the scenes and give you guys a little glimpse and take you around New Zealand. So it's going to be a nice tour. So yeah, a little bit different to Japan, but look at this, absolutely stunning.
Kia ora, we're in New Zealand, Aotearoa, with New Zealand Global Adventures. Kia ora!
Hai rā tūrā, kei te whakawhiti koutou I te arai, oki mai rā. My ancestors, but I also want to acknowledge any of you who are dealing with grief at the moment, who has lost somebody dear to them, that is no longer physically present here on
Monroe smile, there you go. Well done.
They're still thinking let your mind settle and we remember those people. I for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. And whatever afterlife paradise you believe in, it's not for us to tell you what to believe in, but what to believe in. As long as you remember those people, it's right in front of us. I'm going to ask you this vision that I saw is getting closer every day.
Kia ora koutou. Well, it's our pleasure to welcome you here to Canterbury this morning. I think it's
the tinana and then the different parts of the body can be represented in a fighting stick. A hoe is symbolic to that because there was a time when, not going to do this today, but there was a time when we had to use our hoe to fight with, which we're not going to do today. But just putting it out there, that's where the tikanga comes in. It's an old one. So the head doesn't go into the
Day 2 of our global adventure. Welcome to Nelson Lakes. Here we are around the mountains, the lake, beautiful New Zealand, off for approximately 6k kilometer run in the forest, and we're off for a beautiful and amazing day.
over there. Just straight. Over there. Nice. Go, Mary.
Almost forgot, anyone new to the channel and you want to follow along with this journey, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And yeah, we're off to Bali after this, so we're going to be spending a few weeks there, and I got a couple of projects lined up. So yeah, hope you guys follow along and enjoy the channel.
Queenstown is the place to be.
Alright, we get going. That's cool.
On day 3 now, I think. Currently on the west coast, so we drove from the north of the South Island from Nelson Lakes and made our way over to Westport, which is on the kind of northwest coast of the South Island in New Zealand, otherwise known as the wet coast, and you can understand why they call it that. I mean, yeah, it's a wee bit drizzly this morning. Pretty grim, but yeah, still beautiful. And apparently there's a seal colony further along the rocks there, which I'll try and shoot after. This morning the runners are going to be coming up this path here, up along here, and then over the peninsula. They'll be doing a 6-kilometer trail run there. Due to some kind of drone regulations, we're not allowed to fly the drone over the land here because it's a Department of Conservation area, where you need authorized access, but we are allowed to fly from the beach over the ocean. So the idea is I'm going to fly the drone from here, kind of get up above the ocean and kind of look back towards the peninsula there as the runners run past. So yeah, hopefully it all works out. Today we'll be heading further down the west coast and finishing off with a dinner at a local Maori place. So there'll be some kind of performance or cultural activity there, so pretty stoked for that. Yeah.
It's not blowing. It's not blowing today.
I heard you want to leave this place, but we grew up this old town, just put it all behind.
Kare, tōro e ake ngā kōrero he mihi whakatau tēnei i a tātou. A ki o tātou mate huhua, a pikau i runga o tātou poka hiwi. A waiho rātou ki a rātou, a ko tātou te nāenei, anā ko enei a te apoko. Nō reira, a kei te mihi, a kei te mihi, a kei te mihi.
Castle Hill, welcome to
Which area in New Zealand are we?
mid Canterbury. It's a great shot.
This is stunning. So you just made it to Castle Hill course, in between the west coast and Christchurch, so in the Canterbury region. and we're gonna be based up here and try and get some shots. This is today's trail running. Today is day 5 of trail running. What?
Could be.
Something like that. It's hard to keep count. But this is Ian, our Kiwi photographer.
Hello, hello.
And yeah, we're going to set up here and try and get some epic shots on today's trail. So I'm pretty stoked for this location. Check out that view, look at that.
That's unbelievable.
People running there.
This might be me.
Well, if they're running down this way and running towards you, then I could just radio you.
Look at this.
Yeah, fuck. Yeah, we've got a tough job here. Straight down this way.
I'll go up into the tussock fields, I think, because that's kind of what they like. That Lord of the Rings tussocky business.
Yeah.
I think I'll go up here. See you later.
So yeah. So I'm gonna, Ian's gonna go a bit further up the mountain, and then I'm gonna stay on this kind of basin here and do a mixture of panning shots, running towards me, get some landscape, and probably head back down to that first shot there, because yeah, it's stunning. But yeah, a bit different to yesterday when kind of a bit rainy, but that's typical weather on the west coast. And yeah, as we've come over the Arthur's Pass and kind of towards into the Canterbury region, the clouds just lifted and when it's just blue sky and absolutely epic. And there's still a wee bit of snow left on the mountains. You can see up here, yeah, a little bit of snow left. Epic.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong.
I think it's gorgeous.
I want
I love
it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
That's awesome.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
Day 6 and we are at Lake Tekapo on the way to Queenstown. We're both in our positions. We've got a 6 kilometer course today and we're going to shoot the runners coming down here. We've got that lupin, which is these purple flowers behind us, and get a mixture of angles, the lake, and yeah, some kind of action shots. It's a windy, very very windy day, but still need to keep the hat on to protect from the sun.
Summarise the problem. I shoot from here, I get all the same shots.
Yeah.
Beautiful day in Tekapo. Here we are at the lake waiting for the action to begin and we're frothing.
Frothing. Stoked.
Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my spinning bowl, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, be together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
New Zealand is absolutely beautiful. We are making so many memories here, and I absolutely love all of the crew.
Got you. Oh, you was better have.
Can I get a hell yeah? Hell yeah! All
One, two, three, and now you can do anything crazy. Thumbs up, whatever you like. A happy photo. Thank you very much. What a group of legends.
Sherry is the best event director we've ever had. She's so fun and brings unreal energy to this group. We'd be nowhere without her.
So I did make it to Queenstown, but unfortunately, yeah, these events are pretty action-packed and I didn't have much opportunity to film there. I mean, we wake up every morning and film all day and then edit all night. So Queenstown was our last day. It's when we done our kind of final presentation and showed the video to everybody. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just gives you a bit of the behind the scenes of how I created this and what I created for the New Zealand adventure. Currently in Bali on the next adventure. It is rainy season, so it gives me a chance to edit these videos and kind of catch up on some computer stuff. Yeah, the next adventure, Bali. I'll be here for the next few weeks and no plan, just absolutely chill mode. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll see you guys in the next episode.